Hello lefty wannabes and welcome back to the channel, Right Left Hand. So we are now about, what is it, 3/4 of the year done? I mean, that's pretty impressive. Um, I had high hopes at the beginning of the year saying, hey, if even if I make one video a month for 6 months, then that'll be pretty good, compared to what 2021 was like. So getting through to, the eighth month of the year, that's pretty impressive in my books. So I applaud myself. Yes, I know, very humble. And I applaud all of you who have made it through with me this entire time. Because it's no easy feat staying committed to something, putting in that hard work, building that kind of strength to keep going. But here we are, doing it, pushing forward, breaking the status quo potentially. Carrying through on some New Year's resolutions perhaps. And so I just thought maybe we can be happy for what we are doing here and celebrate it. But don't celebrate too much. We can probably celebrate a little bit more once we get to the final month, December, and then we can say we did it. Then we can say we did it. Because right now it's like we're doing it and we're still doing it, which is a good thing, but it's not the same thing as we did it. So, almost there. Stay strong, hold the line, and that's all. Alrighty, goodbye.